In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Crypto.com to Revolut. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to transfer any amount of currency that you have from selling crypto assets from Crypto.com to your Revolut account. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to be teaching you how to send the crypto assets. So I'm not going to teach you how to send, for example, Ethereum or Bitcoin. I'm going to teach you how to send the money that you acquired from selling those crypto assets within Crypto.com. So first, you will have to sell your crypto. To do this, open Crypto.com and go over to any assets page. By tapping on Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever, you will be able to find the option to sell that specific asset. Once you tap sell, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions. You will be able to see the market price through Crypto.com. You can see how much you want to sell, choose any amount of percentages that you see there, and create a market order. Once this sell order goes through and you receive the funds, you will find them inside of your fiat wallet. So when you go over to your fiat wallet, you will be able to tap the transfer option and then withdraw. By going over to withdraw, you can choose how you want to withdraw this fiat amount and then withdraw now. And you will be able to find the Revolut account underneath withdraw to. If you don't see a Revolut account here, this is because you will have to add the Revolut account and make a deposit at least once. By depositing money into Revolut, the account is going to be linked here, and you will then be able to choose it as the withdrawal option through Crypto.com. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You just have to create a sell order through Crypto.com and then transfer the amount that you received through currency. And everything will be available on your Revolut account after this transfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Crypto.com to Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.